Are you a school teacher or a college professor and you have so many students for which you have to do grading at the end of each term? So I'm going to tell you the best tool in Excel which is going to do the grading for you in just milliseconds. So follow me and save this video for future use because this is going to make your life a lot easier than before. Here is a scenario. We have a grading system above and below we have a list of students and their obtained marks, and we want to produce correct grades for each student. So against the first student, let us type equal to VLOOKUP, refer to the marks obtained, press comma, now refer to the grading system, the complete array. Now press F4 to lock the grading system, press comma, and now we want to get the results from the second column of the grading system. So type in 2, press comma, and now we are going to type 1 instead of 0 because we want to have approximate match. So bracket close and press enter. Now copy this formula to rest of the students, and there you go, you have all the grades available. And even if these are 100,000 students, you will have the grades in an instant. Like and follow for more.